Today, I'm going to be taking apart this 2019 Acura ILX LED headlight. I will begin by removing the lens, and then we will go ahead and disassemble the interior of the light. I've disconnected the lens from the body. So here we can see the first bezel is connected to the front of the lens. There are no screws holding the bezel in place. So if you're going to remove this, you're going to have to figure out a way to reconnect it. The components of this light are held together with Phillips head screws. I'm going to go ahead and start by removing this upper LED trim. It looks like it's held on by about 4 or 5 Phillips head screws across the top. With the 4 screws removed, I now need to unhook the wire clip that is holding the top LED light to the main wire harness. With the top LED light out of the way, there are now 4 Phillips head screws holding this white trim and bottom LED light bar in place. Before I remove these 4 screws though, I'm going to come on the side and remove the 1 screw and disconnect the wire harness for this LED light on the side. Now I will remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the white trim in place. Next, I'm going to loosen the 2 adjusting screws. There's going to be one here and one down on the bottom. And to loosen those, I need to go to the rear of the housing and access the 2 adjusting screws. So one on the bottom is accessible, but the one on the top we're going to have to pop the plastic cover off. To remove the top cover, I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop it off. To loosen these adjusters, I'm going to use a 5/16 socket. With the 2 adjusting screws completely loosened, I now have one more retainer that I need to pop off. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze the clips on the top and bottom. With the clip squeezed, I'm going to grab and pull the main unit forward away from the housing. With the main LED projector unit free from the housing, there's one wire clip on the bottom that I'm going to have to disconnect. In order to disconnect this wire harness, I need to use a pair of needle nose pliers to release the clip from the rear. With the connector released from the rear, I can now use a pocket head screwdriver to pop this red tab up, and then I'm going to push in on this tab and disconnect the clip. With the projector removed, I now have access to the ballast. The ballast is on the inside of the light and is not externally replaceable. This was designed that if the ballast ever fails, that you're going to need to replace the whole headlight unit or do some major disassembly to access this and replace it on your own. Here's the part number of the ballast. I will go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips head screws to release the ballast. With the ballast released, there are 2 more screws holding on a heatsink for the outer LED. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws holding that in place, and then I should be able to pull the rest of the wiring harness free of the light. At this point, the light is completely disassembled. I have removed the black bezel from the front of the projectors. These projectors can be removed individually by loosening the bottom adjusting screw and removing a Phillips head screw on the rear of the light. Each of these units are permanently sealed and cannot be opened to access the LED. Here's the LED unit on the side of the light. Here's the top LED unit. Here's the LED ballast. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.